Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ron Castaneda. I'm a registered process server out here in San Bernardino County. Here I got two audience. It's my gorgeous fiance, and then that's my beautiful daughter. Say hi.
Hi, say hi, princess. Hi.
Hi. Okay. So today we're going to talk about, have you ever been in a situation where you needed to serve someone some legal documents, such as restraining order, divorce, eviction? Well, today I'm going to show you why it's best to hire a private server rather than maybe like your local sheriff department or a friend or a family. So now I'm a private registered process server. I've been serving for about 5-6 years now. I cover typically San Bernardino, Riverside, LA, Orange County. It's probably like the area mostly that I cover, typically familiar with. So our three main points we're going to talk about today is why hire a process server? Why not just have a friend or a family member do it? Why not just get the sheriff's department to go out there, serve your documents? So again, the main thing is why hire a process server? Why not hire a sheriff department or have your friend do it? And are process servers affordable? Is it going to cost you hundreds of dollars to have a divorce served? Well, we're going to cover all that today in this video. So we'll start off with why hire a server? Why hire a registered private server? Well, typically when I get phone calls from people, it's probably a divorce or an eviction. Well, most of the people are working between the hours of 8 to 5, 9 to 6. Those are the typical hours. So when you're actually trying to get somebody served, you contact the sheriff's department and you're kind of limited to either 9 to 5 hours, maybe 9 to 6 at best, or 8 to 6 at best. With this private server, I've been out to the properties maybe 7 in the morning, 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning. It all depends. So I've been out there very early in the morning before they go to work. I've been out there very late at night once they're home, 10, 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. Depends on the circumstance. Depends how important it is for that client. If you have no other alternative. So there's different ways that we look at it to figure out, are we even going to be able to meet those requirements? But typically a server will work privately and at their own time. And you talk to the server, you say, hey, I need this person served after 9 o'clock. If I say yes, we're going to get it done. Another question is, okay, so can I serve them? Can a server handle the situation in an evening? You could. So you hire a server will go out there. Okay, so now the next question is, can the server serve someone on the weekends? That's another reason why. Servers can go out there on the weekends, Saturdays, Sundays, holidays. Hire a server, they'll get it done. Sheriffs, you can't. Well, maybe, but very unlikely. Another reason why is server's going to show up just like this. Polos, maybe a tie, whatever fits the situation, whether you're going to show somebody at work or whatever, so you dress kind of according to that. Sheriff's office, they're going to show up in uniform unless you really need them to show up that way. They can hire the sheriffs. Otherwise, they're going to scare them away. Typically, sheriff shows up to the door. The guy is there. He'll send his wife to the door, send the kids to the door. Tell them I'm not here. So, sheriff makes the report, takes off. That's the best he can do. A server, they're going to answer the door they're there because unintentionally, they may think that somebody's trying to sell something. They may think that this person is just, I don't know, does he need help with something? Who knows what, right? But the thing is I have a picture, I have a description, I know it's him. As soon as I ask him, he'll probably say it's not him. I know it's him. Boom, here's the paperwork, we're done. Move on. Now let's talk about why should you not have a friend do it? Well, first of all, a friend's not going to be registered, so you're going to have a friend that's registered. There's certain documents you could serve unregistered, but you just run a big risk. Depending on the type of case you're handling, the opposing party can file motions to say that you weren't served properly, such things like that. Server will show up, testify, that was him, I was there, such and such date, I served it to his hands, I left, we're done. Case moves on. Another thing is, server can handle things right then and there. Same day service, boom. You need them served tomorrow, you need them served today, we can handle it. Go to sheriff's office. If it is not pushed out 15 days later, not doing it. Go back to the court, give me a new date, then we'll go out there. Otherwise, serve them in the morning. You can call me right now. If I'm not doing it, if the price is right, I'll go out there and go serve them right now. So that's the good things about hiring an actual server versus friends, relatives, or even the sheriff's department. Now, after we talked about all this, you're probably wondering, well, are servers expensive? What's the difference? How much is it going to cost me a sheriff versus an actual private server? So what I got here is I have a price list from the local San Bernardino County Sheriffs. It's $40 local service. That's for serving summons and complaints. This is a private office. Fee schedule, $45 local service. $5 difference. But you're going to get it done quick. It's going to get done, and you're going to get approved service pretty quickly. So unless you like a process server from San Bernardino County that needs to be served in Orange County, it's best to hire a local server out in Orange County, keep the price cheap, he'll get it done, move on. Unless you really have a preference, you want this server to go all the way to LA or all the way to Orange County, he's going to charge you pretty pricey, but it's your convenience, it's your preference, that's what you want to get done. So now I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that I made my points. I hope that next time you're trying to serve someone, you hire a private process server or just call myself, I'll handle it for you. Thank you very much for watching. You guys have a nice day.